Hey, my friend, this is Julie Willits, your nanopreneur. And today I want to talk to you about the 30 days challenge to create $1,000 in passive income. Now, this is a community that we have here on Facebook, and we are giving people the training, the knowledge, and the roadmap of what to do every day on Facebook to actually get lead generation, get people interested in what you're doing for your primary business, and also you're able, while you are promoting this program or this training, you're able to make $125 instant commissions. So it's a win-win situation for everyone. We have phenomenal momentum at this point, and bigger and better things are going to be coming down the line very, very soon for this group community. And this is our free group. We have a free group and a paid group, okay? One of my teammates actually just hit his $1,000 in 30 days. So he has been in the system that we use for the last year, and then the last 30 days he's made $950. So, you know, results definitely do speak volumes, and they are encouraging for other people to know that it is very possible. Obviously, if he was doing that much better on his own, he would have had the results before in the last year instead of just in the last 30 days. So this training is really helping others. We have another young lady from, where is she? Let me find her. Here she is. Priyanka is a dentist, and she's from India. She has never done anything online before, and she's already made 2 sales in just over the last 15 days. So how exciting would that be for you to be able to get this training and implement it into your business? Now I'm going to hop on over here to our paid group, okay? So here you're going to see everything you could possibly need for. We have units to go through. It's very well laid out. You know, you're going to get a roadmap here for Facebook, and it's not just about that. We also have mindset stuff in here that's very important to keep you engaged and motivated, and to really help you grow your personal development, because we want people to become leaders. We don't just want people to make $125 instant commissions, which is lovely, but what we're cultivating is to be able to have people to lead other people. And that's the beauty of this whole thing. Now, you will get lots of information here in the files that you're able to download. There's lots of different things here. This is something that's very important, which is what you would follow every day, because, you know, people get onto social media and they make their posts. They might engage with others, which is fine. And then they may post a little bit about their business, or they should only be posting a little bit about their business, but not everybody gets that point. But they don't get any type of engagement back. They don't really have anybody seeing their posts, and it's just out there, and there's no eyeballs looking at it. And for anything to work in any type of business, you have to have what they call traffic, right? You have to have people looking at your product. If you're a restaurant, you have to have people passing by, coming into your restaurant. It has to also have great service, great reviews, and being shared by word of mouth, which is another way to actually get something going in your business. So, you know, different things that you need to be doing every day And this is where you're going to find it here, your business DMO, daily method of operation. So you have to get the customers that you want, and having that attraction to you is something that is going to be taught also. And it's not just about, putting out a post, talking about your product. It's, you're going to learn how to do Facebook Lives. You're going to learn how to, set yourself up, what type of post to put on your wall if you don't have the engagement. There's lots of different things. Facebook has an algorithm. YouTube has an algorithm. And Instagram has an algorithm. They all do. And we have to know what that algorithm is and how to make it work for us personally. And that's what we're teaching in the 30-day challenge to $1,000 passive income. So if you are ready to get started, I'm going to put some information in the description. First of all, this is a bonus training. You will join with our system, and you have to join at the gold level and the platinum level. This will ensure that you're able to get the training for the Facebook community and lock arms with us so we can help you get to the desired place you want to be. And so I will put all that information in the description along with the link where you can go sign up to become part of the community. Once you are signed up, please let me know. My personal profile information, of course, is in the description. You can also send me a text message. My information is in there to let me know that you're signed up, you're ready to go, and you want to get into the Facebook group. Connect with me on Facebook, send me a friend request. I will be notified that you have signed up and done your payment through to the platinum level. But I want to talk with you personally and make sure that this is a good fit for you and that you are somebody that I really want to work with. I want somebody that is going to be a go-getter, that wants to inspire others and cultivate a team for themselves. Okay? So I'm really stoked. I'm really excited, and there's so much more to come with this challenge, and I want you to be part of it. All right, see you on the next video, guys. And if you're new to my channel, hit subscribe and the notification bell so you will be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks a lot, and talk to you soon. Bye now.